This extraordinary transformation didn't come from medical interventions or simply the passage of time. It was nurtured within the realms of the eternal now. The healing journey of these individuals stands as a powerful testament to the teachings of Dr. Joe Dispenza and Eckhart Tolle, offering irrefutable evidence of the remarkable potential of presence in both manifestation and healing processes. We can harness the sweet spot of the generous present moment to manifest not just physical healing, but also the life we desire. Imagine an artist lost in her work. In those moments of deep engagement, time seems to stop. She enters a state of flow, completely absorbed in the now. In this state of pure presence, her creative potential is unleashed, transforming a blank canvas into a beautiful piece of art. Just as the artist manifests her vision, we too can use the power of the present moment to create and heal, shaping our reality in a profound way.